bottom line, and what I'm really trying to tell you with these videos is that you can take control. Number one, read the ingredient label if you're buying something out of the middle aisle or out of a shelf or a box or a can. Swap out your processed meats with nuts or legumes. All right, and don't choose that sugary beverage. You can make your own beverages too, and then you can control what you put into it. These three simple choices you can make every single day can cut down on your risk of leaky gut, bad for gut health, bad for brain health, dementia, all right, cognitive problems, more than where'd I put my keys, and cut down on your risk of oral cancer, all based on research done in humans connecting these substances that are pretty common